Alright guys, so today is the day that we're going to be installing the Downpipes and the Stage 2 tune from SSR Performance. So shout out to them, let's get it started. So first we're going to do some revs with the stock downpipe and I'll show you what it sounds like so we can get a before and after.
Actually going to be taking off the charge pipes. From here, you just loosen up this. After you loosen that up, it's going to be an E10, I believe, down there. After I get them off, I can tell.
Yeah, they don't, but they still plastic at the end of the day and not aluminum, which is what I'll eventually be upgrading to. Probably SSR as well.
Oh, cool. This is actually the same bolt that they use for an N55 valve cover gasket, or just the valve cover to hold the valve cover down. It's kind of interesting, BMW recycling stuff. This clamp loose, same as that clamp, but on the bottom you're gonna want to be careful. Maybe you got a swivel head, maybe not. Oh no, you need a swivel head actually. E10s in particular though. So you get this bad boy.
How are you gonna put that bolt back in?
Probably use a magnet or something. Alright, so I'm pretty sure it's loose. And there you go. Make sure you do not drop this in there. Don't forget to take that out because that would really suck. One of the O2 sensor connections is going to be right here. The other one is back here. They're kind of tucked in, so yeah. Whenever you get these off, you're going to want to press the tab on it and just straight pull it out. You want to be careful though. Actually, don't pull on the actual wires, pull on the connection.
Use that mic and then use my mic.
Alright, so John is disassembling. What are you disassembling?
There's a big skid tray because Formula 1.
Oh, that's true.
But yeah, you gotta take it off to actually access the V-clamp turbo things up here. The V-clamps onto the turbo from the downpipe.
Gotcha. And look who else showed up. Tony San.
I'm here to help him vlog. He's still a beginner.
Yeah, I am. I'm a newbie.
Oh, there's a fucking cigarette right by my head.
Now we got the skid tray pan
Formula 1
thing off. Now we should have access to everything, huh?
Yep.
These were always a 13.
For an hour.
Looks like it's an 11 or something now.
Next step, you want to get these loose.
Alright, well this week I'm going to Florida and New York, but whenever I get back, yeah, we can do something.
Alright, so next step, there are going to be 4 11mm bolts up on the actual downpipe to the cat back. Take those 4 bolts out and yeah.
And the thing is, it would be much easier to...
Alright, so we got the first downpipe out, working on the second one. Both downpipes are out. We're gonna take off the O2s and the V-clamps and we're gonna transfer them to the new ones.
Alright, so right now, 22mm wrench, and couldn't find my hammer, so I'm using this part of a jack. Literally put the...
Better not be hitting my paint, bro.
Oh yeah. Put the downpipe that you're about to install, like, find the one that matches. Put the flange, like, put the end near the end. And this one goes here, this one goes here. If you mix these up, your car will not run right. So what you do, put it here. Always remember righty-tighty, lefty-loosey. Yeah, don't over-tighten these, because they will break. Come and quite literally hit it until it starts twisting.
That wasn't too bad.
These are new. This car has like 5,000 miles on it, I think. So that's why it wasn't bad.
That makes sense.
You definitely don't want to take the O2 sensors out. Like, you want to go up top and unplug them, because if not, you'll start twisting these wires. And if you twist these wires enough, they will break. But whenever you do this, literally take this one out, put it straight back in.
So you can't mix the two?
So you can't mix the two. And use anti-seize on this, or else it'll be a pain to get it out later. And this is anti-seize. This bottle is like probably like $5 or $10. I don't remember because I bought it like 3 years ago. And I've used this on so many brake jobs, so many O2 sensors, and so many everythings, just so it doesn't get stuck. So this stuff, the extra 2 minutes, it'll save you a lot of time in the long run when you have to take these back out.
So John got the first downpipe in. He's gonna show you everything right there because I can't reach it.
You can see that wastegate right there. I don't think I can get it up enough. You can kind of start to peek at the compressor wheel. Not really. I don't know. That's inside of the turbo.
One more downpipe to go. All right, so now we got both downpipes in, and John is just getting the final fitment situated so we can tighten it all up.
Yep.
Now we're just tightening up the last couple of bolts for the downpipe to the cat back.
Make sure the actual turbo V-clamps are loose for this.
loose, but actually like on. Because once they're on, they're not gonna come off, but keep them loose so it has some room to go where it needs to be.
All right, after we finish tightening up all the downpipes, we're now reconnecting the O2 sensors. You can see he's got one right there in his hand.
Wow.
To get more, you just shut up. You need to get more. You need to get more funny. Tony has more subs. That's because he's funny. Alright guys, that concludes today's video of installing downpipes. Shout out to SSR Performance again for the downpipes. They fit great, they're great quality. I'm loving them so far. Make sure you check out the link in the description and go to their website and see what they have for your car. See you in the next one.